Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Canada Immigration Daily. Today, we delve into significant changes in Canada's immigration policies that are poised to impact thousands of international students, workers, and tourists, particularly from India. These developments encompass the cancellation of the Student Direct Stream (SDS) visa program and the introduction of stricter regulations granting Canadian border officials enhanced authority to revoke study and work permits under specific conditions. Enhanced authority for Canadian border officials. As of January 31, 2025, amendments to the Immigration and Refugee Protection Regulations have come into effect, granting Canadian border officials expanded powers to cancel temporary resident documents. These documents include electronic travel authorizations (ETAs), temporary resident visas (TRVs), work permits, and study permits. The new regulations stipulate that officials can revoke these documents if an individual's circumstances change, rendering them ineligible or inadmissible. Such circumstances encompass providing false information, possessing a criminal record, or being deceased. Additionally, if an officer is not convinced that the individual will depart Canada upon the expiration of their authorized stay, they now have the authority to cancel the respective permit or visa. This policy shift introduces a layer of uncertainty for foreign nationals, especially the substantial Indian community in Canada. The country has long been a favored destination for Indian students pursuing higher education. According to India's Ministry of External Affairs, approximately 427,000 Indian students are currently enrolled in Canadian institutions. The enhanced scrutiny and potential for permit cancellations may lead to delays, financial losses, and a sense of instability among this demographic. Cancellation of the Student Direct Stream (SDS) visa program. In a move that has raised concerns among prospective international students, Canada discontinued its Student Direct Stream (SDS) visa program on November 8, 2024. The SDS program, initiated in 2018, was designed to expedite study permit applications for students from 14 countries, including India, China, and the Philippines. It required applicants to meet specific criteria, such as demonstrating financial stability through a Guaranteed Investment Certificate (GIC) and providing proof of language proficiency. The program was lauded for its efficiency, often processing applications within 20 days. The abrupt termination of the SDS program means that students from these countries must now navigate the regular study permit application process, which may involve longer processing times and additional documentation requirements. This change has elicited anxiety and disappointment among aspiring students. For instance, a Chandigarh resident planning to study in Canada expressed concerns, stating, "I was trying to go to Canada, but the situation is that Canada has stopped the visa." That was not right because many Indian population want to go abroad for studies, and the politics that is being used in this is also wrong. Implications for international students and workers. The convergence of these policy changes, the enhanced authority of border officials, and the cancellation of the SDS program poses significant challenges for international students and workers in Canada. The potential for permit cancellations under the new regulations means that students and workers must exercise heightened diligence in maintaining compliance with all visa conditions. Any deviation or oversight could result in the revocation of their permits, leading to disruptions in their education or employment. Moreover, the discontinuation of the SDS program may lead to increased processing times for study permits, potentially causing delays in academic schedules and financial planning for students. Educational consultants are advising prospective students to apply well in advance and ensure meticulous adherence to all application requirements to mitigate potential delays or rejections. Impact on the Indian community. The Indian community, constituting a significant portion of Canada's international student and worker population, is particularly affected by these changes. Between January and July 2024, Canada issued 365,750 visitor visas to Indian nationals, underscoring the robust travel and educational exchange between the two countries. The new regulations introduce an element of unpredictability, potentially deterring prospective students and workers from choosing Canada as their destination. This could have broader implications for Canada's educational institutions and labor market, which have historically benefited from the contributions of Indian nationals. Recommendations for affected individuals. In light of these developments, it is imperative for current and prospective international students and workers to stay informed, regularly consult official Canadian immigration websites and trusted news sources to stay abreast of policy changes and updates. Ensure compliance. Adhere strictly to all visa and permit conditions, including maintaining valid documentation, updating any changes in personal circumstances, and complying with study or work requirements. Seek professional guidance. Engage with accredited immigration consultants or legal advisors to navigate the complexities of the application process and to receive personalized advice based on individual circumstances. Plan ahead. Given the potential for longer processing times, initiate applications well in advance to accommodate any unforeseen delays. Conclusion. Canada's recent immigration policy changes signify a shift towards stricter oversight and control, impacting a substantial number of international students, workers, and tourists, particularly from India. While these measures aim to enhance the integrity of Canada's immigration system, they also introduce new challenges for foreign nationals seeking opportunities in the country. It is crucial for affected individuals to stay informed, remain compliant, and seek professional guidance to navigate this evolving landscape successfully. We hope this comprehensive overview provides valuable insights into the recent changes in Canada's immigration policies and their potential implications.